Hi, my name is Alison McCarthy. I am a Victim Services Specialist in our Victim Rights Legal Services program, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the Victim Rights Act. The Victim Rights Act, or the VRA, is something that exists both federally and at the state level. We have it too in Colorado. It's actually in our Constitution, although the details of it have been spelled out by our legislature, but the fact that you have rights as a victim is in our Constitution. And the general purpose of the VRA is to protect named victims in a criminal case. So this is generally with crimes against persons. And the idea is to also encourage meaningful participation in the criminal legal system by victims. And so there are lots of rights outlined by the VRA, but generally speaking, you have the right to be treated with fairness, respect, and dignity. And that's pretty broad on purpose, right? And then you also have the right to be informed about what's going on with your case. At certain stages in the process, you have the right to be present. And then also at certain stages in the process, you have the right to be heard. This is during what's defined as critical stages, and there are several throughout the process. I don't have time to go into all of them now, but I will of course share resources where that's outlined. So if you want more information on the Victim Rights Act and what rights you might be entitled to as a victim, I'll share some things. A couple things to note is that this is a living, breathing thing. And so there are periodic updates to the VRA, particularly during legislative sessions. So just know that what you see here today might change by the time from when I recorded it to when you see it. But here, I'll share a couple things now. As a good overview of general rights, and this will be linked below, this is a brochure from the Division of Criminal Justice, and it outlines some of the rights you have and also at what points they happen. These are the types of crimes that are covered by the VRA and things like that. So just something to look at there. And then if you feel like your victim rights have not been upheld, there is a process for a VRA complaint. So this will also be linked below, but here's information about what that process looks like and what our point of contact might be and things like that. And then of course, if you have additional questions or have concerns about your VRA rights not being upheld, you can contact us. This is our website. I will also link it below. And if you scroll down here, you'll see our contact information, which has our general intake line. And you can also do an intake request online. So if you want to look at what that looks like, you certainly can. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.